Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss another important data set, and the name is CelebA. So the CelebA stands for CelebFaces Attributes, and obviously it is quite clear from this image also. So if we see carefully, then there are thousands of tiny images in the background, and those tiny images are constituting this image. So here, if we come here, then in the details, it is quite clear to mention that it's a large scale face attributes dataset with more than 200,000 celebrity images, each with 40 attribute annotations. So you can imagine that how vast this particular dataset is, and it might be useful for you in a number of ways. So if we consider the kind of diversity or the quantity or different type of annotations, then obviously this particular dataset is a prominent one. Additionally, the data covers the large pose variations and the background clutter. So it is going to help you in different sorts of activities. Now coming to the kind of statistics, so more than 10,000 identities, more than 200,000 face images. Additionally, the 5 landmark locations and the 40 binary attributes are used. So I think you can see that what sort of different parameters you can have, and then you can have some sort of variations depending on your choices. Now coming to some of the sample images, so you can see that these are the sample images, including the eyeglasses, wearing hats, baby hair, mustaches, then the smiling, then all faces, etc. Then the related downloads and the evaluation files are also available here. Additionally, coming to the important part, which is the agreement. So it is available only for non-commercial research purposes. Okay, so you can't make the commercial use of this particular dataset. Additionally, all images of this datasets are obtained from the internet, which is not property of Lab. Okay, then the Chinese University of Hong Kong has claimed this particular statement. Then the Lab is not responsible for the content or the meaning of these images. Okay, because obviously different sorts of things are related with images, especially with the celebs. Now you agree not to reproduce, duplicate, copy, sell, trade, and the exploit for commercial purposes means you need to be strictly for research purposes. Okay, now we move down. If you want to cite, and obviously you should cite before using the work, so you should give this particular citation, and the related data sets are also given over here. Okay, and if you want to contact with the development team, then I think you should contact with this. Okay, then coming to the menus available here, so it is the home page. Then if you move on to the next menu, so here some of the other sample images are available. Then coming to the other things, similar sort of things, the spoof dialog, then the similar sort of details and the related downloading files you'll get. Yes, so I think everything is every menu is almost the same. You just need to focus on to the specific use case, and depending on your use case, you need to download the respective files and go through the downloading as well as the users policy and give the proper citation before using that. Thanks for watching this particular video. If you didn't like anything, please comment down below and criticize it. Thanks again. Happy learning.